Good morning. Now in this video we're going to talk about the knowledge base. So the knowledge base in CSI CMS is essentially a bunch of keywords that you might come across for reporting or possibly needing to explain that to other individuals. In the future, we're going to be able to pull this data and allow you to dump that into or certain keywords that you need for reports, definition lists. But this does have it to where you have a nice little search bar up on top. So let's go and type in EXIF. Now that I have EXIF pushed, we can see the key term is going to be in bold, and the rest of the content, which is going to be HTML formatted, is going to be down here. So we see the try to highlight it here, these nice little bullet points. So again, the biggest reason why we have this as HTML is it does allow you to add additional content such as images, again, just basic HTML formatting. So again, we see the content definition on the bottom side. You can edit it if you need to, but what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and clear this. And go ahead and click on this one, right blocker. Again, we can see right blocker, a bunch of good information. I'm going to go ahead and new. So new, the concept, let's go ahead and put in test, make it easier. So again, you can put in regular text. The potential issue you might come across is if you are wanting to make sure that there's an enter, what you're going to need to do is do something like a BR. So BR basically is going to be like a line break. So in this section, what I ended up doing was just put some basic HTML. So I'm going to go and hit save. And now when we look up test, we can look at the very bottom here, and because we have this break, we do have, this is a test, and this is another test on two different lines. If we had it where you just hit enter, and then let me go ahead and fix that typo up here. Save it again. And let's look for test one more time. As we can see, this is on the same line, even though you did hit enter. This is why, again, just basic HTML for formatting will fix these issues. So again, the biggest reason why we did that is so you can have prettier versions of the definitions, especially when inserting images, potentially videos, things in that area for definitions. So think of this knowledge base as more of a training type option inside of CSI Linux CMS. So that is the knowledge base in a nutshell.